Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Amay-zing. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a star box. It should look like this, okay, when it is ready? So, first we need to start with a piece of square paper, okay? Then fold this point to that point, like this. Okay, like this. Then open it and then fold it like this, the other way. Now again open it. Now flip the paper and then put it like this and then fold this point to that point, like that, and then crease it. And then open it and then turn it like this and then again fold this point to that point, like this, okay? Like this. Then again open it and then fold this point downwards like this and then do it like this, okay? You will have this thing like this, okay? Then these flaps should be on the top side and the closed side should be downside. Then fold this point downwards like this. Fold it to the line in the middle like this, okay? Then fold this downwards like this again, okay? After you have done this, then open it up like this. There will be a pocket over here. Open it up like this. Okay? Like this. Then do the same thing with the other side. Like this. Then fold this part backside over here like this. Do the same thing with the other side. Like this, okay? Now flip the paper over and then fold this like this. You have to do the exactly same steps you did with the other side on this side, okay? Like this, like this. After you have done this, open the pocket. Open the pocket. Like this. And then fold these pockets also backwards in this part. Okay. You will have it done like this. Then fold this flap downward. After you have done this, flip the paper over and then fold this also downwards. Then lift the paper and then fold this like this, okay? Fold this like this and then fold this like this. So now you will see your paper is like this, okay guys? You have folded both these flaps downwards, okay? After you have done this, you will have to fold this downward and then put it in like this, okay? And then if you want to do an easier way, open this and then fold this down and then again do like this. After you have done this, this will be your four corners of the star, and then you will see it like this. Okay, a point, start opening it. Okay, pushing it and make it a star box. You can make it a bit proper. Okay, your star box is almost ready. You just have to make it a bit proper, like this. Okay, so here you go, your star box is ready. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching the video.